Hello, welcome back. Let's practice the suku kata. Sa, na, ka, ba, ta, ma, pa, si, ni, bi, mi, ki, ti, pi, su, nu, bu, mu, ku, tu, pu. Now, let's learn something new. This letter sound is y. Y. Look in the mirror. Your lips should be slightly open, like smiling, and your tongue is near the roof of the mouth, but without touching it. Let's say it again. Y. Y. Ah. Ya. Ya. Saya. Saya. Saya is I. Y. E. Ye. Ye. There are not many words with the letter combination of ye in Malay. Here we have yeast. In English we say yeast. That is a substance used in making bread. Y. U. You. 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 It's a shark. Ikan you. That's a fish. Let's practice some more. Ya. Ye. You. You. Ya. Ye. Ye. You. Ya. Now let's look at some other words. Here we have ka, and this is ya. Put them together, we have ka ya. Ka ya. Kaya is rich. Here it's ka, and this is you. Ka you. Ka you. Kayu is wood. Here we have ya and a single sound Put them together, we have yum, yum. And here we have yum, yum. Yum is a chicken. Here it's ya and a t. Put them together, we have yat, yat. And here it's yat, yat. Ayat, it's a sentence like this one. Here we have nama saya Yili. My name is Yili. So this is a sentence with a capital letter at the beginning of the word and a full stop at the end. This is a sentence. Ayat. How do we write this letter? To write a lowercase or a small letter Y, we start at the middle line. So this is the first line, middle line, and the bottom line. Start at the middle line and make a slanted line going toward the right down to the bottom line and stop here. So notice this is a slanted line, not a straight line. And then from the middle line again, draw another slanted line to the left, this time touching the line here and going below the bottom line and stop. Okay, so we can also write the letter this way. So in this case, it's like writing an U and with a tail that drops below the bottom line. Can you see it? This is like a U, but don't stop here. Go below the bottom line and make a tail here. Okay, let's write this together. Start at the middle line, make a slanted line to the right, touching the bottom line here and stop. And then make another slanted line, go over the bottom line here and stop. So this one, write U and don't stop here, go below the bottom line and make a tail. Okay, so keep practicing until you can write the letter well. So remember, you can do it, but you need to keep trying. Okay, so that's all we have for now. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.